This is News 14 Carolina meteorologist Matthew East, and thanks for clicking on to this latest edition of the Carolina weather video here for April the 3rd, 2009. Let's take a look back at the severe weather reports as we went through Thursday into Thursday night. Obviously, the largest concentration of severe weather reports was northern Alabama, back into parts of Mississippi and portions of Louisiana. Numerous reports of wind damage and some sporadic tornado reports as well. Also, a good bit of hail back in Mississippi. This morning, as I'm cutting this video here during the 5 o'clock hour, I have a big low pressure wrapping up into the Ohio Valley, and cold front trailing down from that, pressing through the southeastern part of the country. Behind that front, notice no really significant push of colder air, so it's actually going to be a very mild day today and a very mild weekend as well. At 5:15 this morning, we have this band of gusty showers and a little bit of embedded thunder and lightning pushing through central North Carolina and South Carolina. That is racing eastward and producing some pretty gusty winds that moves through. Now, the severe weather potential really confined to areas pretty close to the coast as we go through this morning, and even there, the threat will end later on this morning as the frontal boundary presses on through. All right, so let's take a peek at the modeling here. This is valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. By that point, most of the showers are gone. And it's going to be a very windy day today. We will see winds out of the west, maybe gusting in excess of 30 or 40 miles per hour at times. And with the ground fairly saturated, that could easily down some trees around the region as we go through the day today. So be aware of that. Might see some sporadic power outages developing at times as the day unfolds. Tonight will be quiet. Oh, by the way, a lot of sunshine also builds back in today as well, and highs will be in the lower 70s. So a nice day today, just windy for sure. The winds will not be a big factor tomorrow. It'll be a gorgeous day. Sunny, highs in the low 70s tomorrow afternoon. Sunday, clouds will be on the increase. We might be able to squeak in the daylight hours Sunday dry before we see a chance of showers and some thunderstorms Sunday night there into early Monday morning. And behind that system, there is plenty of cold air set to come. Really a direct discharge of very cold air all the way from Canada down into the Gulf of Mexico. And that really engulfs the eastern half of the country by the time we get into Monday night and Tuesday. This is the map for 2 o'clock in the afternoon Tuesday. Very breezy conditions, and many spots might not make it out of the upper 40s around here for highs Tuesday. This is Wednesday, still quite chilly, and then we begin to get things milder by Thursday. This is our next system moving in Thursday night with some shower and maybe thunderstorm chances then. It is going to be a big blast of cold air next week. A good chance that we'll see some frost and freeze issues Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday morning as well as we go through next week. So be aware of that for those of you that are gardeners or have already done some work on your plants. We will probably have some frost and freeze issues as next week unfolds. All right, that's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.